Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Kelly. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company and get some online exposure, generating some more revenue with Google. Now, there's three key factors that come into play within a website, and that's content, backlinks, and citations. So start with some of the basics. Anything that you type here into the Google search bar, I typed in construction company, general contractors kind of fall underneath the same category. So for an example, we use this. These are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria for what was typed in. Search engine optimization, SEO. And Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words that got typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. Now, here, of course, we have the map section, the map pack. So you want to understand ranking here in the map section is related to your Google Business Profile, which will show your area of coverage or your service area that generates a lot of local traffic and creates leads and becomes business sales. Your Google Business Profile is also connected to citations. You need citations to help you rank as well in the map section. Citations are anything that's name, address, and phone number that directly reflects your Google Business Profile. And citations come from directories like Yellow Pages, Angie, BBB, Yelp. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So if you've ever wondered how do these websites and how do these companies get on the first page of Google, I can explain that. Aside from advertisements like Yelp and Angie and House, the organic ranking structure comes from content and backlinks. So we have this site here, or this particular company in position 4, and we have this company in position 6. So position 4 is Southeastern General Contractors. This is their site, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes and why they're ranking and why they're there. Now, I did mention that backlinks are a major contributor to the rank structure. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust. It creates popularity. Understand not all backlinks are created equal. So you wouldn't want a Pizza Hut or maybe a landscaping company referring back to you. It doesn't carry as much weight and as much power behind it as another general contractor's site referring back to you. From that, there's 47 domains, other websites that are linked to this business from these backlinks. And again, when it comes to content and keywords or SEO, he has 68 keywords, generating him 69 views per month. So to take a look at this and get a better perspective, the search volume is per month. So these particular phrases or keywords that were typed into Google and Google found them within a website is the search volume per month. So general contractors, Fayetteville, 350. General contractor, Fayetteville, 300. Contractors, Fayetteville, 250. Home builders in Fayetteville, 450. So you understand collectively when all these are added up, that generates a ton of exposure to your website if you have the right content and keyword built into it. And with that exposure, generates a lot of customers, becomes business. The other competitor in spot 6, I believe it was this particular company, MS Squares or M Squares. I plugged him into the same tool. He has 13 backlinks, 5 domains, 31 keywords, 33 in traffic. So even though he's in spot 6, he still is on the first page. Now keep in mind, the backlinks and the keywords are all obtainable. The same ones are obtainable by you. 31 keywords here. Let's just say you got 55 to 70. You would move above him. 13 backlinks. What if you just grabbed 50? So the more you add, the more Google is going to recognize that you're being endorsed, the popularity is going to go up, you're going to move up the rank structure. So with all this being said, I hope that you have a better understanding of how websites or business websites or how people rank on the first page of Google. You really need to have a well-built site. Many companies build beautiful sites. Some of them will fall short with content and SEO. You'll have a website built and you'll say to yourself, well, I'm not getting as much traffic as I thought I would. I wonder what's going on. If you don't bring everything together right, if you don't have the right content, backlinks, citations, Google Business Profile, without that, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see you. So you really need to have all these factors come to play so that Google can recognize you as an authority with what you're doing and what business you're representing or the services that you're offering, and they can move you along the rank structure when you start to create more business to yourself, or Google starts to see you being recognized through the keyword searches and what's going on there. If you find yourself wanting any information or just wanted to talk and had questions, I'd be more than happy to work with you. I hope that you have better understanding of that. And thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and have a nice night.